Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enter pairing mode with JBL Free II. So to do this, we'll need to open a case with our earbuds, then enter Bluetooth on your phone. Make sure that it's enabled. You can actually open Bluetooth on any device. And now, as you can see, we can't see the actual earbuds right here. There's only left one available, and I have them connected on the iPhone right here. And to enter pairing mode manually, we'll need to remove only right earbud, then click and hold this button until they turn off. There'll be sounds as well, but we can also focus on LED lamp around the button. So hold it until they turn off. You can also see it right here that it's connected. And now when they are turned off, we can hold this button again, and that way we'll enter pairing mode in just a second. As you can see, they disconnected from my iPhone, and we can refresh available list. And here we have them again, and we can pair them to the Android instead. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.